In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay store name. This process will help you update your store identity to better reflect your brand or offerings. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once signed in, navigate to the store management section. This area contains various tools that allow you to customize your store details. Look for the option labeled Store Settings or Store Information. It is important to have decided on a new store name before making any changes, as a clear and defined name contributes to your store's identity. Once you are on the store settings page, locate the field that displays your current store name. You will see an option to edit this field. Click on the Edit option to change your store name to the new one you have selected. Take care to enter the updated name accurately, checking for any spelling or formatting errors. A clear and memorable name is essential for helping buyers recognize your brand. After entering the new store name, look for the button labeled Save or Update. Clicking this button will apply the new name to your eBay store. It is advisable to refresh the page after saving to confirm that the change has been successfully made. The updated store name should now appear on your listings and store pages, ensuring consistency across your brand. If necessary, take a moment to review your store design and layout to ensure everything remains cohesive with the new name. Consistency in branding helps attract returning customers and enhances your overall store presence. Make sure that all elements of your store reflect the changes you have made. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.